For the next experiment, you will need 5 cups, 5 transparent cups. You can use any number if you like, but according to that you need food dye. So since I have 5 cups here, I am using 3 different colors of food dye: green, pink and blue. So these are the 3 colors I am going to use, and you need water and some tissues. So shall we begin our experiment? We will first begin by pouring water into all the 5 cups. You don't have to pour water into all the 5 cups, only 3 cups, that is alternate cups. So I have poured water into the alternate cups. So the next step is to add the food dye. I am first adding green color in the first cup that has water. I am adding blue into the next. And finally, I am adding pink. So you can use any color that you like. So use your imagination, make everything colorful. So if it doesn't mix well, you can use a straw to mix it. Now I am using the tissue paper. See how I am placing the tissue inside the cups. So you need to fold it just like how I am doing it. Make it as thin as possible. So you will need so do exactly as I am doing. The thinner it is, the better results you get. You will need 3 such pieces because we have 5 cups. If you are using many cups, then you will need more tissue paper. So see how I am placing this now. One end in the first cup and one end in the second cup. Similarly, so I left out the last cup, so now I am using one more piece. Now, do you see the water getting absorbed here in the tissue? So you need to wait for some time to see what happens. We have already learnt about the properties of cohesion and adhesion. Cohesion is the attraction between 2 molecules of the same substance. So the cohesive property of the water molecules causes them to move across the tissue paper. You need to wait for at least 15 minutes. Only then you can see it very clearly. Can you guess what is going to happen? So now, after giving it some time, can you see how the water has traveled from one cup to the other? You can also see that our second cup, which was empty, now has a mixture of the green and blue water. How did it travel? Along the tissue paper. Similarly, our next cup, which was empty, now has a mixture of blue and pink, giving us the purple color. So you can see purple color water. So now you know why this happens. Because we immerse the tissue in the water, some molecules got attached or absorbed by the tissue. Now water has the cohesive property. So the water molecules tend to get attached to each other. So they follow the path and they reach the next cup. So you can keep many cups like this and use many colors. You can even try forming the rainbow colors. So use your imagination and you can try this at home.